Have you ever felt the crushing weight of losing your job? The moment your phone rings with that dreaded email or call, your stomach drops, your mind races, and suddenly your world seems upside down. You sit there, staring at your empty calendar, wondering what went wrong, questioning your worth, and feeling an overwhelming sense of fear and uncertainty. This is not just about money. It's about identity, purpose, and confidence. Today, you are not alone. Stay with me until the end of this video, and I'll show you how to rebuild not just your career, but your confidence, your sense of purpose, and your financial freedom. Losing a job can feel like the universe has betrayed you, but what if I told you it's actually an invitation? An invitation to transform yourself, your life, and your future. Napoleon Hill, in Think and Grow Rich, writes, "Every adversity, every failure, every heartache carries with it a seed an equal or greater benefit. That seed is inside you, ready to grow, if you know how to nurture it." Many people believe losing a job means failure. But consider Marcus Aurelius, the Stoic emperor, who faced unimaginable responsibilities and challenges, yet wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Your job ending is an external event. How you respond is where your true power lies." Let's explore why people lose jobs. Economic shifts, company restructuring, personal growth misalignment. There are many reasons. Often, it's not a reflection of your value. Even highly talented and skilled people are impacted by circumstances beyond their control. But in every ending, there is a potential for a new beginning. Rainer Maria Rilke said, "Let everything happen to you, beauty and terror. Just keep going. No feeling is final. Feeling lost or rejected is temporary, but your actions now can define your future." So, how do we start rebuilding? First, reconnect with your strengths. Make a list of your achievements, moments when you overcame challenges, and skills that others admire in you. Reflect on the times you adapted, learned, and succeeded. Napoleon Hill reminds us, strength and growth come only through continuous effort and struggle. This is your moment to gather strength from within. Next, create a daily routine. Structure is your friend. Even small actions, updating your resume, applying to jobs, learning a new skill, compound over time. Schedule your days deliberately and watch your momentum build. This transforms fear into productive energy. Learning is key. Expand your knowledge. Explore online courses, books on personal finance, entrepreneurship, and career development. Immerse yourself in learning as a way to regain control. As Stoic philosopher Seneca wrote, "Luck is what happens when preparation meets opportunity. The more you prepare, the more doors will open." Mindset and emotional management are equally important. Journaling, reflection, and meditation help you process emotions without being consumed by them. Viktor Frankl, who survived unimaginable hardship, said, "When we are no longer able to change a situation, we are challenged to change ourselves." Use this time to cultivate resilience, emotional intelligence, and clarity. Financial reset is crucial. Audit your expenses, reduce unnecessary spending, and create a realistic budget. Look for temporary gigs, freelance work, or side projects to stabilize your cash flow. Every small step toward financial security rebuilds your confidence and sense of control. Networking is another critical step. Reach out to mentors, former colleagues, and industry groups. Opportunities often arrive through people, not job boards. Share your skills, offer value, and be open to new possibilities. Transforming loss into growth requires action. Set short-term, achievable goals. Celebrate small wins. Every resume submitted, every connection made, every skill learned, every dollar saved. These are victories that restore your self-worth. Finally, reflect on your vision for the future. Ask yourself, what career aligns with my strengths and passions? What lifestyle do I want? What legacy do I hope to leave? This reflection turns a setback into a roadmap for a better, more fulfilling life. Remember, losing your job doesn't define you. Your response does. Use this time to reconnect with yourself, develop your skills, regain your confidence, and take actionable steps toward financial freedom. Every challenge contains a lesson, and every ending holds the seed of a new beginning. Subscribe to Cloud Wisdom for more guidance on overcoming life's challenges, financial strategies, philosophy, and practical advice for personal growth and fulfillment. Stay resilient, stay focused, and know that your best days are still ahead.